Hi, Teresa.
Hi, Eric.
What are we doing today?
A day of reckoning. That's what we're doing.
And what does that mean?
This means we're gonna sort through our own personal garbage and see where we've messed up and what really had to get thrown away instead of just all of this.
This is my own dorm,
Wow.
Larsalier Hall, room 002, and this is our trash bin.
All right, let's see it.
Okay. So we start by dumping it out in the middle, and then we'll sort it into a few piles. Here's a cup from the dining halls. This is from Robbie Calf. So the bottom could have been composted, so we'll put the composting pile over here, and the top could have been recycled, so we'll start a recycle pile over here.
All right.
So then as we keep going through this, anything paper should have been recycled. This is obviously trash, so we'll keep the trash in the trash bin.
Okay. All right.
So for ones like these, the bottom half can always be recycled, but you'll have to take the top half off, and those ones go in the trash. And the same thing for tissue boxes, like the flimsy plastic. Those ones have to be thrown in the trash, but if you rip those off, the rest of the tissue box can be recycled.
Okay. Do you know where we can find more information on what can and can't be recycled at CMU?
If you go to the Office of Diversity website, Central Sustainability page, there's a recycling guide under the Campus Race to Zero Waste tab. So the garbage weighs 0.6 pounds.
And that was with subtracting the initial weight of the bucket.
Yeah, the bucket was 1.4 pounds, so on the scale we zeroed it before we put the garbage in. Alright, so now that we weighed everything, you can take what could have been recycled and what could have been composted and add those values up and then divide it by the total weight, and that's how you find the percentage that could have been diverted. So from my dorm, 0.6 pounds could have been recycled, 0.8 pounds could have been composted, and 0.6 would have went to the trash. So therefore, that is 70% of what was in our trash could have been diverted using the resources at CMU already.
From your garbage, what do you see here that you guys could do better next time?
I think the part that really shocks me is the recycling. There was a lot of plastic cups that could have been recycled. So I guess moving forward, I'll take this information back to my roommates.
Yeah.
Try and do better.
Just go through your own garbage, as unappealing as that might seem to you. You will definitely learn a lot. You'll see what's in the garbage in the first place that you might not necessarily think about in passing, and you'll see what doesn't have to be there.